Hesby, it's Healy and Ryan, and today is Earth Day.
And we wanted to do something special.
So we are baking a cake.
Here are the ingredients for the cake batter.
Now mix all your dry ingredients in a bowl.
Hey Healy,
Yeah?
do you know some easy ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle?
Yeah, just use reusable straws, bags, and more.
Wow, so simple, and it makes a great impact on the world.
After you mix your wet and dry ingredients,
Preheat your oven to 350 and bake the cake for 30 to 35 minutes.
make sure you spray your pan before adding the batter.
Now, while we wait for the cake to bake, we're going to hand it over to Max and Sophia.
See you when we're ready to decorate.
I'm Sophia, and I'll be showing you guys what to throw into each bin. So first up, we have the green bin, and this is for all your yard clippings. So to use an example, I found some branches in my backyard and some palm. Next up is the black bin, which is the most common, and that's where you throw all of your household garbage bags, like these. And also you can use some expired food items and pretty much everything that just goes to the landfill. And lastly, we have our blue recycling bin, which is for plastic and cardboard and everything that doesn't need to go to the landfill. So as the example, I have some tin cans and some bottles and some tea wrappers and everything else. This, for example, would go in the black bin because it has food residue on it, so it cannot be recycled. And with this bag itself, it can be recycled because it is a cardboard bag, so you just put it in. And that's what goes in each bin, Hesby.
Hi Hesby, Max here. So today I'm going to be talking about reducing, reusing, and recycling. Reducing, reusing, and recycling is something very important and critical that we need to start doing more, so I'm here to talk about the importance of it. Reducing plastic waste is going to help the Earth's economy in multiple ways. Right now, the plastic waste is going everywhere in the ocean, and it's just dangerous for animals and humans even. So a couple of ways you could reduce plastic waste is, try not to, or always recycle. If you can, recycle. Just trying to use less plastic, and just, if you are going to, just recycling it. That can help so much. Reusing. You don't always have to go out and buy more when you can reuse other items. So try not to always just go and buy something if you know you can reuse it. And that'll help reduce plastic waste. That'll just help the economy. And recycling is one of the most important things to stop all the plastic. Recycling is one of the most important things. When you recycle, you are saving any possible plastic from going into the ocean or something like that. So I'm here to let you know that that's what's happening in this world, and we should try and reduce, reuse, and recycle. Bye, guys.
Now, Gabby and Mimi will take over to show you guys how to decorate the cake. Hey everyone, we're going to decorate our cake as an Earth using green and blue frosting. Before we decorate, Gabby, what are some things that you do in your daily routine that can help the Earth?
I like to use reusable water bottles instead of plastic ones, and I like to take shorter showers to save water.
Wow.
Time to frost the cake.
Happy Earth Day! Make sure you reduce, reuse, and recycle.